Today I'll show you how to log hours, or detailed work notes under a ticket in Jira. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know step by step how to properly track your effort on any Jira issue, making life easier for both you and your team. Plus, it helps keep projects running smoothly and ensures your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. Let's dive right in. So first things first, open up the Jira issue or ticket that you've been working on. This means navigating to the specific task in your Jira board or backlog. The key here is to make sure you're on the right ticket. After all, logging your hours against the wrong issue could cause confusion for the whole team. If you're ever unsure, double-check the issue key up in the corner or search for your task using the search bar. It's a small step, but it keeps your timesheets clear and accurate. Now, once you're inside the right ticket, it's time to access the logwork dialog. There are a couple of ways you can get there depending on how your Jira is set up. The most straightforward method is looking for the time tracking field, which you'll usually find on the ticket's details panel. It can sometimes be on the right side or smack dab in the center section, just depending on your layout. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. There's a backup plan. Click on the More Actions menu, the three little dots in the top right corner, and select Logwork from the drop-down list. Both routes open the same dialog where you can record exactly what you did and when. Here's where we get into the meat of it. Entering the actual time spent. In the Time Spent field, you'll type out the duration you worked using simple time units. For example, if you spent 2.5 hours, you'd write 2-30 melon. Worked a full day? That's 1D. And if you just type a number, Jira will use your admin's default unit, which is super handy for quick logging. Take a moment to make sure your time entry accurately reflects the work you did. Being precise here helps with project tracking, billing, and resource planning down the line. Next, there's the work description field. This one is technically optional, but I always recommend filling it out. Think of this as a mini progress note. You can jot down what you specifically addressed, any blockers you faced, or milestones you hit. Maybe you fixed a tricky bug, reviewed code, or had a client call related to the ticket. Giving a clear description not only jogs your own memory later, but also keeps your teammates and managers in the loop without extra follow-up. Don't worry about being super formal. Just make it clear and concise. Now, sometimes you might notice the remaining estimate field. Jira will automatically adjust this based on your log time, but sometimes you need more control. For instance, if the task turned out to be easier or harder than you thought, you can manually set or reduce the estimate to reflect reality. Just use the Set To or Reduce By options and pick the time that matches what's left. This is especially useful for keeping big projects from going off track due to inaccurate estimations. If the work you're logging didn't happen today, maybe you forgot to log it yesterday, or you're catching up after a couple of days. Don't sweat it. There's a Date Started field where you can pick the actual day and time your work happened. This keeps your timeline accurate and helps anyone reviewing the ticket understand exactly when progress was made. Once all your details are filled out, it's time to save. Click the Save button, and just like that, your work log is permanently attached to the Jira issue. You'll see your hours, your description, and the updated time tracking, all in one place. And that's all there is to it. Logging your hours in Jira is a simple routine that pays off big time for you, your team, and your project's momentum. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or get stuck, drop a comment below. I always read them, and I'm here to help. And for more tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy logging.